Hello friends, in today's class we are going to make a project in which we are going to draw a square using the sprite. Basically, the video is going to describe you how to make a sprite on a scratch. Sorry, how to make a square on a scratch. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel Codejy, and I'm going to share you my screen now and see the project which we are going to make now. I hope you are enjoying my videos. Please like, subscribe, share. Thank you so much. Let's start. Okay, if you can see here, when I click on green flag and when I click on a square, I am getting a particular square. Yes or no? When I click on green flag, I clicked on the sprite and I am getting a square. So this is very simple project which we are going to make. And if you notice, you can see that we got a green square. And if you want to know, like, what are the things I need to make this green square, I just need two sprites. One is square, one is pencil. So let's create the square. First of all, we will click on the create new project. And the next we'll delete the cake and we'll get the sprite pencil from here. Okay. Now we got the sprite pencil. Now I'll go again and we click on choose a sprite again. And the next thing we need is a button. Okay. So I will place the button here. I will place the button here to here and I will go to costume and write the text on the button as a square. I will change its color to black. Okay, hence I changed the color to black and now I can see the square and the sprite. Now I'll go to code. I will write the code. When green flag is click, motion, go to. Generally, I return this code to make the square come back at its original position if we misplace it by mistake. Okay, so when I click on green flag, the square will always go to this position. And also, I will write the code. When this sprite is clicked, I will broadcast a message, bro is square. Okay, I clicked on OK. So this is the simple code which I have written here for the sprite is square. Okay, now I'll go to pencil. I will make the pencil with a green flag, motion, go to 0, 0. I want my pencil to go at 0, 0 at center. Okay, basically I have used pen to draw the square. So I will add the pen from here. There are a lot of things we have. You can see that. But currently we are going to use only pen here. Okay. So now what I will do when green flag is clicked, I will erase all things. I will go to 0, 0. After that, I will erase all the things. I will put my pen. First of all, I will set my pen color to the green color, which I want to make my square in green color. I will set the pen size to 3. Okay. And now I will put my pen down. But wait, first let's go to control. Take forever. I will take if then else. I will go to motion. Sorry, I will not use going to use this forever. I will go to control. I will take repeat. I will put my pen down before the repeat. And then I will write here 4. Generally, why I'm writing this 4? Because there are 4 sides of a square. Okay. So let's go to control. Let's take if no. Let's go to motion. Let's take move. Let's write here 100 steps. 100 is the size of the square. Okay. And I will take wait 1 second. Generally, to make that the square is taking turn. Okay. And I'm taking turn 90 degree. So what I'm doing actually, I will go to 100 steps. After that, I will turn 90 degree. Turn 90 degree means I will turn this degree. I will go 100 again. I will turn 90 degree. I will go again. I will turn 90 degree. Like this way, I will turn 90-degree every time and I will be able to complete the square. And also this is inside the repeat. So you can say there are four sides of triangle. Okay, let's see we are getting a square or no. Yeah, it look we are getting the square. But what I think I should take this one to make the square upside. But what I notice the pencil is making the square from its center, which is not good. So let's go to costume and do the correction. I will go to costume. I will click here, convert to bitmap. Okay. So once I clicked here, convert to bitmap, then I will use this square. I will select the complete pencil from the corner to bottom and I will shift it little up. Yes. If you see the pencil, it look like center. Now let's see. When I click on green flag, I'm getting my pencil like this. If you can see this, I got a square. Let's go to code. Let's see again. Yeah, it looked great. I hope you like this, how to make a square. Okay, let's check our button is working or no. So when I click on square, instead of this green flag, I need to write the message. I need to go to event and I need to attach this thing. When I receive a message, draw a square. So when I click on square, hmm. And one more thing, I just want to do is event when green flag is click, I will erase everything. So now my green flag is clicked. Now I clicked on the square. I got the square. And my square is always getting on the same direction. Now it is changed. Why it is changed? Because I changed it. Okay. Anyway, if you can see my project and if you like my project, I hope you are going to share the project to your friends. Okay, so I will write here draw the square. I'm going to share you the link in chat. I will give you the copy link. I will share the link in chat. Also, I am going to share you the link on video's description. I hope you will like this video. You will share my video. And thanks a lot. Okay, so let's hope for the next video. I will upload the next video soon. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.